Alright, I'm done here for the day. I've got all this glued up, clamped up and all that, and while it's clamped, I drilled holes using a slightly undersized drill bit, well, actually slightly oversized. The dowels are 470 thousandths. I used a 485 drill. I drilled them in about 3.5 inches deep and gets them to where I wanted them to be. And then I glued in some dowel pegs on those four corners. So, and I also glued in dowel pegs on the crossbar, and so that's not going anywhere. I'm going to wait until these things set up either tonight after I get out of the office or tomorrow morning. I'll come in and glue the four corners on the bottom, and then this thing, structurally will be basically complete.